This is the Truss Analysis Interactive Calculator, which solves structural engineering problems for various truss configurations. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include simple span, truss support reactions, single-member force method of joints, Warren truss analysis, roof truss with wind load, member stress and safety factor, and truss deflection estimate. For this demo, I'm using simple span truss support reactions. The force type dropdown lets you choose between tension and compression. I've selected tension. Now enter your parameters: span length in meters, applied load in kilonewtons, load position from left in meters, and number of panels. Let's work through an example. With a span length of 12 meters, applied load of 25 kilonewtons, load position from left at 5 meters, and 4 panels, here are our results. The primary result shows 14.58 kilonewtons. This is your left support reaction. The secondary result of 10.42 kilonewtons is your right support reaction. Notice these sum to our 25 kilonewton applied load, confirming equilibrium. The third result indicates the maximum bending moment at 72.92 kilonewton meters. The status confirms this is statically determinate, meaning we have exactly the right number of equations to solve the system. Find the link in the description below.